Wetin they do?
You don ready finish?
Wetin they do?
No, nah. I hear when you dey make call inside house. You say you wan carry car go car wash. Now say I just quickly help you run am.
Run wetin? I don't understand. Who send you all these nonsense?
You know, say all those car wash people, they dey ungrateful. If you don't wash car for the finish now, they no go dey appreciate it. Now say if I don't help you run now, might no waste time. Just give me 20k. I don't want my con dey.
Which kind 20,000 with that? How much they take they wash car when I can't go to pay you 20,000? I bet come on there before you know now. I know that thing.
How much they wash car?
How much they take car when they wash 2,000 naira?
Wait,
just don't I feel manage give you 1,000. No, just don't. Which one be phone?
For all the 4 tires when I don't wash.
Which 4 tires?
Come wash this
I send you.
It be like say where you won't go, you no hungry you. I feel your manage based on say now we I feel you collect 10,000 naira from you.
Which kind 10,000 naira?
For all the car when I dey wash since you can't give me 1,000 naira.
Which kind of wahala be all these ones? I drop motor say me go wash am. You dey wash am now. You say me I'm.
Yeah, you dey go. You no hungry you. Now 10,000 fit collect last. You no fit pay 10,000 naira. But just you just live where you dey go. Maybe no dey important. But wetin I just dey work since. No work oh. 10,000 now fit collect last.
No wahala, you be fine. No wahala, I don't hear you.
You not pay again. You not pay again.
I go transfer the money. Just I won't come on now. It don't do. Come on, I won't transfer the money give you now.
Okay. I will put am for that my Zenith Bank. My own pay I dey try log in. Never let me log in. The way when I wash this car, when you come outside, you see this car, you know say na me wash am. No be the one that they wash for car wash. Yeah, boy. Run now.